What's up, beautiful people? I'm Chef Lopez. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful pasta with mozzarella, cherry tomatoes and chili. It will be done in 20 minutes with step-by-step video tutorial. Make sure you keep watching this video if you like to learn how to make this in 20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Lopez, Instagram chef.lopez. Press the bell in the corner and it'll keep you up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you very much and keep watching. We're going to start with the freshest ingredients we can get a hold of. We've got some crushed chilies, some garlic, mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, some hand-picked basil, some dried fussilli pasta and tin chopped tomatoes. Don't use fresh, please use tin chopped tomatoes, it makes the difference. We'll start by crushing our garlic. It's going to slowly release the flavors and we'll repeat throughout. Cut your cherry tomatoes in half. You can leave them whole if you like. It's entirely up to you. Cooking is all about preference. You have to remember that. It's how your family or how you are going to like it. So you don't have to follow me step by step if you don't like. Make sure you use a good quality olive oil or rapeseed oil will go very well. You don't want to heat the pan too much because it will burn the garlic straight away. We're going to get a really nice golden color. So to do that, we need to keep it at a medium temperature and slowly increase the temperature. Keep stirring it so it releases the flavors of the garlic slowly and it doesn't burn and go bitter. That's very important. Add your chilies. And again, stir for further 10 to 15 seconds because otherwise you'll get bitter and spicy. And you don't want it to be too spicy because it will overpower the dish. Like so. So now we've got a beautiful golden consistency. We can turn the gas off and leave it on the side to cool down. Or you can just start adding the chopped tomatoes as we are going to do. We'll add the chopped tomatoes. And we're going to turn the heat down and let it cook for 20 minutes simmering at a very steady pace. You don't want it to boil, you want it to just have the little small bubbles for 20 minutes and then we're going to take it off and leave on the side to cool down. Add some salt if needed. That's again, it's your preference. If you feel it needs salt, add some more, add some pepper if you like. We're gonna now start to cook our pasta. So I like to salt it, add a little bit of olive oil. It gives it more flavor and the olive oil helps it from sticking. You can use fresh pasta also. You can buy really good quality in Tesco's or Sainsbury's. I prefer dry because it's slightly cheaper and it keeps for longer, of course. In these times with COVID-19, we have to preserve what we can. Now we will start to cook the cherry tomatoes with the garlic. So we'll add the chopped garlic, cook it at a slow, steady temperature again, and keep stirring for it not to burn. It is very important. You do not want bitter garlic because it will spoil the whole sauce. We'll add the cherry tomatoes, cook it for about 5 minutes. You don't want them to break down because you won't get the texture at the end that you want to the dish. Please, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave any comments in the comment section, of course. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, 12 p.m. UK time. I'm going to season it because I find seasoning is very important. You can also wait to the end and season it, which is very smart thing to do. For me, I know what I need to add, but if you're someone that is not 100% sure, I would say wait to the end and then season with salt and pepper to your liking. Now that the pasta's cooked, we're going to add it in. You can add this straight into a bowl if you like and just toss everything together. You don't have to put it on the pan. All we're going to do is just stir everything in and combine all the ingredients that we've cooked. So the cherry tomatoes with the garlic, the beautiful chili and garlic sauce that we made earlier on with the tomatoes. This is just all gonna create flavors that is just so intense. I can't even describe it right now. If you don't have any basil, it's fine to use parsley or just don't use anything at all. It's entirely up to you. Don't use coriander because it will spoil the flavors. Also, another tip with this dish, you could easily add mussels or clams. That for me would be perfect dish. Perfect for the spring weather, perfect for even summer. You can eat this cold even. This dish, I cooled it down and I ate it cold. There's nothing wrong with that. So now we're just combining everything together. Like I said, you can put it into a bowl like I'm showing now. Give it a nice toss. Add your mozzarella in. You don't have to add mozzarella. If you want to make this completely vegan, make sure you buy vegan pasta. Use a vegan cheese. I'm also going to make a recipe on how to make a vegan cheese, which is super easy. So keep looking at my YouTube, subscribe so you know when I put that up. It's so easy, anybody could do it with minimal ingredients. That's it. So the dish is pretty much there. Now I want to add more basil, so I normally add a bit more basil. You can add the parsley, and it's just entirely up to you. That's it. And look at that, look how beautiful that looks. Couldn't ask for anything more. It's perfect for spring weather, it's perfect for summer, even a winter lunch. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Lopez, Instagram, chef.lopez, and I'll see you soon for my next videos.